Productions.
Outstanding.
Welcome again to another video. It's a boy Eldorado. Anyways, today I want to talk about learning learning how to mix. And this concept kind of get mixed up because I have DMs and emails about stuff like this. I think I'm going to do a video, do a course on how I mix a song. I'm going to do two courses, one with 2-track mixing and the other one with stems. Now, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification button, select all notifications, join the notification squad, and you get notified every time we upload a video. You can look our feed like anytime within a month or so of this video. Please check the date and so forth like that. Now, learning how to mix. And that's something when we can teach you, or anyone can teach you, you have to learn it. You know? And by learning it, you have to go through the experience. And because of the experience, it go sharpen your ears. And because of the experience, it go make you have acquired knowledge with this. Oh, I saw it did do. Oh, I saw them get the sound. Oh, this sound good. Oh, engineer the style, but you know, the style where you have in the song, put in this song. So these are something that, and that's something where people can teach you. You see, that's something you have to learn. Now, my purpose here is to show you how it can be done, but at the end of the day, you still have to learn how to get it done to suit what you are doing. Because 3-to-1 ratio now go work on everything where you really mix. For me personally, I mixed over 100 songs, to tell you the honest truth. And with all of those experiences, you keep on adding up my failure, my mistake, the comparison between mainstream songs and my songs. You know, they were very different somewhat. Back in the day, I couldn't get a radio mix properly. Back in the day, my leveling wasn't so good, my panning wasn't so good, my reverb and delay timing wasn't so good. But with all of these mixing experiences, I get to develop a better understanding of mixing on a whole. And for me personally, I can say again, I have to take a lot of information in processing, spend countless nights up just trying to get a better understanding of how reverb works. Because for me particularly, I did have a lot of problem with choosing the right reverb sound, the right delay, because some delay sound different from some. Some delay unit that were made back in the days are made different. You know, have a unique sound to it. That's why you have this echoplex, and you might have this eventide reverb delay unit over there, flanger unit there. So they all have different components, give it a different sound. So the manufacturers of plugins now model these things, and you realize that you have 5 delay, and 5 of them sound different. You know, for the most part, a lot of people use H delay, and some people might use D16 what you call it, repeater, or probably they use a stop delay sound, or probably them use sometimes delay. Very great plugin. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is you have to learn these tools over time. You know, somebody can write in front of you, or top mixing engineer. So, for example, Red Boom, because everybody know Red Boom, can write in front of you and show you, all right, this is how I do my delays for my vocals. And when you go at your mixing environment and they try the same thing, you realize that it's not working. So learning from the experiences from your failures, because for me personally, whenever I mix a track, I send it back for revision. So doing revision is like getting feedback. So doing feedback, you know, they can suggest, you know, some really want it sound like this particular song, and you try until you get it there, you know, in which it never sounds in at the first place. So asking for feedback or sending the songs for revision, it is good. Well, some people just confident in the mixing upon a level that them just mix, or probably if they do the master and they do the master and same time they'll send it off, and that's practically about it. But I think you should operate different. Well, me one can't speak for myself still. In my opinion, I always ask I always send revision or ask for feedback within things that I have done, because feedback can build you and it can break you. You have to know how to really take constructive criticism. And I think I'm going to elaborate about constructive criticism on another song, so forth that we saw. So again, mixing on something that someone can teach you, it is something that you have to learn. So you can see them, all right, this is how you do this, and this is how you do that, and so forth and whatnot. But if you personally not learning how the ratio really work, or how the ratio and the attack and the threshold and the release time really work on a compressor, you're not going to know how to apply it. If you don't know nothing about early reflection, or if you don't know about decay time or pre-delay and a reverb, it don't make no sense. So, and it's something where somebody can teach you, you have to really learn it. You see me? You have to learn it from the experience. So, mixing more and more, if you're a beat maker, learning how to mix your own beat. So, when you pre-mix it and send it off to the engineer to mix the vocals on it, them they really not have no issue, because a lot of times, a lot of beat makers make beat and it's damn snare in it, it's so damn loud that may have a fling one multiple and compressor on it just to kind of duck it down a little bit. And it affect other frequencies. So learning how to mix, it is essential as a beat maker and a mixing engineer. And that's something when nobody can teach you. You personally have to learn how to mix. Anyways, it's a boy Eldorado. Again, see him there outside, see him shirt. It's a bit windy. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification button, select all notifications among other things. Check the link in the description below. Please do visit the website, support me, buy a drum kit, download something free, so forth like that. If you have any mixes that you want to mix, you can email me about that and we take it from there. Anyway, it's your boy Eldorado. Don't forget to subscribe, say it again, hit the bell, join the notification squad. Yeah, select all notifications so you can get notified anytime I upload a video. And I'll be doing more videos like these. So thank you again for watching and the kind support that y'all give me. So